On Rosh Hashanah, on the Hebrew New Year's, we blow 100 sounds on the shofar in a very exacting pattern, been passed down since ancient times. So this art is mapping out the pattern. On the bottom there's one triangle representing the first sound of tekiah, which is a single sound. The next row there's 3 triangles representing shvarim, which is 3 shorter sounds. And then we have 9 triangles for the truah, which is 9 very short sounds. So it's working its way through the pattern of the sounds. Learns in Kabbalah that encoded in this pattern is very deep spiritual concepts. The sounds represent 100 aspects of love within ourselves. So it works its way through to the 100th sound, which is represented by the large triangle at the top, which represents the sound of the tekiah gedolah, the extra long sound, which represents complete unconditional love.